crazy world. Evil world, people that wants to put you in jail.
You're saying it's an evil world, Mr.
It's a
Ackerman?
cruel world.
Why?
What if it was your son, if I was your son, would you like me to go to prison? I didn't do anything wrong.
You didn't do anything
No.
wrong?
Do you believe you did nothing wrong?
Yes. What did I do wrong? Tell me. You can't tell me.
And if the court finds you guilty?
Then I want another court. Because this judge is, let me rather not say.
Judge, remember the court doesn't want you to put phone in his face in the crowd,
Evil world is that we live in. Cruel world. You don't understand how bad prison is. You've got no idea. The judge has got no idea. The prosecutor's got no idea. Go there for a week and then they realize what it is that they're doing to people. I've never been malicious. I've never harmed anyone. I've never done anything wrong to anybody.
You don't think handing boys over to an HIV positive man is wrong?
Handing over. They knew he was HIV positive. They knew they were going to.
And you were fine with that?
They were fine with it. They didn't go there to have massage him. And I told him not to do anything sexual. He's HIV positive.
But you said you knew that...
Sure. Right.
Your reporters to do that.